Vehicle electrification continues to gather pace. And in future, more and more automobiles will be equipped with high-voltage batteries. But what happens to these batteries after their time in the vehicle? Especially since modern battery systems will still have a usable residual capacity. As a manufacturer of these batteries, it is our responsibility and also an opportunity to ensure that these energy storage systems have a second life. Thanks to our platform that was developed in-house, it will be possible in future to bring together all VW Group high-voltage batteries. This will create a new power storage system for renewable energies. However, with the demand for energy growing worldwide, there are many possible applications. For example, battery storage systems can even out fluctuations in the power grid, yet storing and distributing renewable energy remains a challenge. We are developing a solution. Smart energy storage. From street to grid. Again in charge.